Cocktails or mocktails, we'll be sure to find the perfect drink at the poolside.
Cool it down. No. There's just something about a refreshing cocktail on a hot, sunny day and a pool. Yeah, even if it's a blow-up pool, I have one in my backyard, by the way. Yeah. Sounds
is that
like
an invitation?
No. Sounds like the perfect day. Joining us now with a few of his signature blends, and of course, he is taking over the set. Trevor Luke, bartender at the Marriott Courtyard Hotel. Welcome to Weekend Smile. How are you?
Thanks for having me.
Oh, you're so fancy. Before we go any further, why you want so hype?
No, it's not
What
hype.
a fancy apron and a fancy set of tools and a fancy set.
Because we're doing wonderful cocktails. Mocktail, actually, this morning.
Trevor, look like no
Normal bartender. No. Tyan. No, man. I'm ready. I'm ready for the team. All right. So, what are the essentials we need to make the proper summertime cool-down cocktail?
Cool time for non-alcoholic cocktail, you would normally need like your sugar, lime juice, and your juice, or even carbonated beverage from your sodas, assorted sodas from your Ting, your 7-Up, Pepsi, anything you can use.
What makes a cocktail different from just any arbitrary?
Yeah, juice.
Yeah.
What makes a cocktail different?
Yeah, what separates a cocktail? Because
normally it's all based on the liquor that you use, the combination of sugar and all of that. From the spirit, you have dark, white.
So you have a special one that you're gonna make for us this morning?
Yes, I'm just gonna make one that you guys will really like.
Okay, what's the name of that one?
This one is called Rosy Cherry. It's
Rosy Cherry.
It's our homemade cherry soaked in rosemary bush.
Ooh, I love rosemary. Did you know that?
It's a really wonderful drink.
So it's Jamaican cherry juice.
Jamaican cherry,
yeah.
Our local product.
So what the people at home may not know is that Trevor was the bartender of the year 2018, 2019.
Then almost.
Yes.
What was that like for you?
It was actually a good experience because it roughly was 13 of us, 13 talented bartenders, and I know I was going up against talented ones. So I actually went with a mindset by doing a concept with each drinks that I created. So I guess that pushed me over the edge to stand out over everyone else.
I never hold your dress.
And that was part of it, I'm sure.
You have to play the part because when you're behind the bar, it's like an operation room.
Yeah.
So I just like, I'm doing surgery.
Yeah.
So we have the cherry rosemary.
Yes, we have the cherry rosemary. So we're going to sweeten it with a little pineapple syrup.
And
all of these can be made at home.
Skin.
Yes, this is the skin of the pineapple.
Oh, wow.
It's been in this roughly for about a week now.
Wow. What's it soaking in?
It's just granulated sugar, making its own sugar. So it's straight pineapple. So we're sweetening it with pineapple and a small amount of lime juice.
All right, I know you're the expert in it, so you squeeze and put,
you know how much, but how
yes,
you must know how much?
It's normally, it's a technique that we bartenders tend to use. It's like, for 1 ounce, it's like bubble 2, bubble 3, bubble 4, and that's like 1 ounce.
So what that means?
What squeeze?
No, it's not squeeze. It's actually you're free pouring, but you're counting in your mind. So you know you have 1 ounce.
Bubble 1, bubble 2, bubble 3, and that is an ounce.
And that is an ounce. For the 2 ounce, it goes to 7.
You remember that trend? Yeah, I got drag. Turn over the old bucket.
So we're gonna.
You have the pineapple syrup, the cherry rosemary,
and a little bit of lime juice.
A little bit of lime juice.
Toops of lime.
So we're gonna.
You do that now?
I tried that once.
Everything there road. All right, add some ice. And then...
Yes, you're gonna top it off with more ice.
Sure. That's not for you. You hear?
There's no alcohol, so you can actually try.
Oh no, man. I'm just letting him know that it's for Daniel.
I'm gonna...
He's gonna take it and give Daniel. Oh, and the sprig of rosemary.
Of course.
And what
next?
Dress
it up.
A touch of
pineapple.
Oh, pineapple. And voila.
And voila.
We ain't got no straw. Oh, straw. So she must get a straw, right?
Yes, and it's
hey, man, you turn it over.
Eco-friendly straw.
Of course, paper.
Yes, always.
And of course, that's refreshing and clean.
It's a really good drink, so the kids can have it. If you're on medication, can have it. It's a really good drink to have.
Wow, she looks like she's ready.
She's really enjoying it.
Let's go. All right, and if we were taking something with us to the beach, like we couldn't go to the beach and get something there. If we wanted to take a nice mix, would that work? Could we like put that in an igloo, mix it and put it in an igloo? And
yes, you can mix it and put it in an igloo, but normally you wouldn't want to put it with ice because dilution will take place.
And
so if you don't,
taste.
yes, and it's the taste, all of that. But these are things that you can find in your home or the stores that you normally buy your stuff and just create your own mix.
Okay, and you suggest trying to bottle these things ourselves, like making our own pineapple syrup and cherry.
Ready now.
You ready? You're gonna make yours?
Yep.
You also want to?
Yeah, man.
I have enough shaker for you guys.
Okay, I'm ready.
Can you use this one?
Let's
yes,
go.
you can.
So I have to use the same
So
stuff?
you can use any juice that you'd like.
Which one is passion?
This is passion.
All right.
This is cherry. We got mango.
So why you take the passion and no say I want?
We also, you want guava?
No, I want
Bubble 1, bubble 2, bubble 3.
I'll take the cherry rosemary since I like, and I must mix.
And
so
these
go
are your
bubble 2.
Bubble 1, bubble 2.
Say that?
Bubble 2, bubble 3, bubble 4.
And that's it?
And that's it. And these are your sweeteners. You have mint syrup.
I'll take
We have honey.
No.
Me now get luck up for honey.
Oh, that's it.
I want a mint.
And we have our ginger extract if you're with ginger.
I don't like a lot of sugar, so I won't put that in there.
Yes, small amount.
So I never preps me and tell me say mango dede man.
Mango is here also, man.
Can I put pineapple in this?
Yes, you can. And pineapple goes good with ginger also, so you can try the ginger.
So what else I must put in there?
So you basically add the cherry,
mint, and I put cherry rosemary.
How much ice?
Ice? Just enough. Yes, that's enough.
And get some ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger extract.
It's ginger extract, so you have to use a small amount.
Yeah.
So
eat that?
Yes, let me get the ice in it for you. Wait, you're going to do it at the same time. You're all going to do it at the same time.
But this don't look like nothing in my cup.
No, man. Dilution will happen. So,
go.
Let me get the glasses for you guys. You can shake.
Suppose me broke it.
But there's a technique.
Yeah.
So this is the chaser part.
Right.
So you always have to have it face down and like that. Yes. You can girt it by the base. Yes. Give it a firm shake. Once you see the concentration on the base, then you will know that dilution, everything is.
Oh.
Just keep shaking.
Okay.
You can use this one. I'm going to top you off with non-alcoholic.
no mind enough, sir.
No, man, we're going to add ice and then.
Okay.
Okay.
Look here now.
Let me get some more ice.
And this is non-alcoholic sparkling wine.
So just to give it a little bubbly.
Daniel, all right?
Daniel, Chris.
She's already drinking a lot.
Let me get the sport.
Yes, you can.
I feel like.
This looks nice.
I feel like, oh my goodness.
Might look nice.
Okay.
And these are your garnish trays, so you can garnish it however
you want.
You have mango. You have star fruit.
Lemon.
You have cane.
Cane?
Yes.
As a garnish?
Yes, you can use cane as a garnish. It's edible.
Trevor, thank you so much for coming.
Yes.
Thank you for giving us these wonderful cocktails.
Of course, and I would also like to thank Marriott Courtyard where I work.
Of course.
Yes, of course. And we'll be opening our pool bar the first week of September. Yes, it's going to be a really good view for emancipation.
Is the all-day thing? All day, all night pool?
Yeah, we're open from 3 to 11.
Okay.
So here's mine. Ta-da!
And also thanks to Bartender Academy, Debbie Spence. My mom for also encouraging me.
You win an Oscar?
Oscar, no.
But big up yourself and big up Trevor, mommy.
Yeah, man. Trevor Luke, bartender at Marriott Courtyard Hotel.
Soak up the warm summer sun with some of those cocktails. Enjoy it if you can.